Hi, Gregory. This is Tasha. Okay, see, so here we go. Let me zoom in for you. Hang on. Zoom in. See, there's about right next to timeline, and there's about. Okay. Click on about. And then we're going to scroll down here to the left over there. See right there? It says edit. We're going to click edit. And then see this new box is going to pop up. Let me zoom out so you can see the pop-up box. Scroll up. See the pop-up box? Scroll down. Okay, so we're going to go right here. And enter a space. You see that? I entered a little space. See, I entered another space. You see? In the space. And then you already went over here. And you highlighted the website right there. So you go back to Facebook and you come over here and then you're gonna control V. See how it did? Let me control Z so you can see. Wait, let me zoom in so you can see. Okay, then we control V to paste. It's in there. You go right down there to save. Sorry, I'm looking through the camera. I can't see my cursor. There it is. And you hit save and it turns gray and it goes away. See? And it's right there. Let me zoom in so you can see I have two the Angels tubes because I did one myself and then I just did one for you. See? And that's it. And that's your about page. Okay? Okay. Bye.